Now guys, this is a very wonderful morning, chilly morning, ile yenye vijana wanapenda kutoka kwenda kutembea. Now this morning nimeamua kwenda kutembea baharini, kuna dam hapo baharini. Baharini zina Uasin Gishu County. Yeah, this is the cool place. Kako nikajua asubuhi kako chilly, unasikia iko poa sana, yani kumebariz, kumetulia tena sana. Ni asubuhi poa tena sana. Hapa ni kwa forest. The forest is beside a dam, so I'm walking in to see how trees are and some birds. Yeah, there are birds there. I was watching to see them, how they sing. You see, ile kuimba kwa birds asubuhi. Now I'm here, I'm walking there, I'm just alone that place. Imagine, hata mtu anaweza shangaa sema nimerabika kichwa, but now yeah, it's making my mind cool. You can see I'm walking, I'm trying to show you the trees. These are the trees. I think this place is very cool because there are trees beside the dam, and that's what's supposed to be happening. Is it so? So these are the trees. You see how beautiful the nature is this morning. God created very beautiful things, and here that's why we love God, and He did a very wonderful day. Now this is the dam, but now you see these things that have already started growing there. They are bad. They destroy the dam, so they're supposed to be weed. They're supposed to be withdrew there so that the dam could be good and cool and clean also. So that's the place, very good place. And this dam is somehow big, and you can see it. I was viewing so that you can see it very well. You see the dam, the other side, and I think there is a resort there. Yeah, and I think fish are here and people are here. These things are the ones I'm talking about. They need to be removed here. For that dam to stay for long, because when time comes and they're still there, itafunika hiyo damu yote na hazitakuwa hapo vizuri, so zinafaa kutolewa ili hiyo damu ibaki fresh na ikue imesustain hapo. That is the place, a very wonderful place. As you can see now, it's very chilly, very nice place. You see, I'm now cooling my mind. It's the morning, yes, but now I'm still making my mind to be cool enough. Huko ni opposite the dam, huko ni kuna barabara huko, then kuna masoko na vitu kadhaa huko penye nimeview. Alafu huko niko opposite the dam. Huko penye kuna miti, huko kuna resort nyingine pia. There is more resource there. You can come and chill there and pay and chill and walk and take a nature walk, even picnic. You can come and sit there. You see, these things are the one I'm talking about. These one are very bad, very bad. They're supposed to be removed. You see, hapa ndo nimekuja kutembea leo asubuhi na nimechill, nimetembea, nimeona venye kuna kaa, nikafurahia pia. Kabla nianze kazi yangu, at least my mind will be clean enough. These are the trees, the place. These are they're very cool and clean. Yeah, and the dam is also cool. I nasikia, by the way, I heard that people are fishing there. I heard that people are fishing there, and there are some boats there, and I will be showing you the place where people are fishing. And I saw there a method used to fish. Niliona hapo kuna kitu kingine hapo wametengeneza hapo, I think wanafugia ndani samaki. It's in the far end. I think you can't see it for now, but I will show you later. Now guys, as we still continue seeing the dam, remember we are going to start the initiative of helping 3 a day. So we need to begin that initiative. We need to begin so that people can be helped. We need to help people. Tusaidie wetu, si kwa pesa tu, but kwa information, kwa encouragement, kwa kumsaidia tu. You don't see someone is suffering or this person needs a help and you're not helping him. It's very bad, guys. As you continue seeing this, please, nataka tu tukue tunasaidia watu. You see, you just help someone and you feel good. Imagine ukisaidia mtu, you normally feel very good and you are at peace, and God is very wonderful and is helping us. That's why I want you people that we need to help. I want to see how you're going to help me, that we can start this initiative, not just with finances only, but try and help someone a day.